It finally arrived. My Jeffree Star mystery box. This is a birthday present for my daughter, but it took like 2 weeks for it to arrive. I am so excited to dig in. Alright, start with some scissors. Here we go. Alright. I think I'm most excited about that new Weirdo palette, but I wonder what all is in here. Let's see. This must be my palette. I'm going to save this. Oh, is this another palette? Which one am I getting? Oh, blood sugar. This is... Now, I already have blood sugar, so I may be doing a giveaway in the next month or so. So keep tuned to my channel for details. Wow. What is this? The gloss. 2 finishes, glitter fantasy and extreme shine, juicy delicious. 6 feet under. What is that color? Oh, wow. Now this is going to be good for a Halloween look, I think. Okay, here's a velvet trap. I love these lipsticks. Oh boy, this is the original Weirdo shade. The famous black lipstick. Okay. Can't wait to try it out. And to help me unbox all of this Halloween stuff, my black cat, Prince. And what is this? Okay, it's a new scrub. I love the scrubs. Wonder what flavor this one is. Witch's Brew. Oh boy.
Halloween special.
It smells a little different. Maybe like licorice or something. All right. And this, oh goody, I get, this is the Shane Dawson lip balm. I love his lip balms. They are so moisturizing. And what is this one? Okay, this one's just sort of a nice white. I definitely use these at night. They keep my lips moist. Great. And another Velvet Trap Dominatrix. Oh, wow. Trying to remember what that color. Okay, it's sort of a nice dark nude brown. Test that out. And what is left? Oh, this is the Jeffree Star Skin. It's almost here. Cannot wait. And there's more stuff. Oh! Wow! This is amazing. A whole bunch of these mini lip things. And there are a lot of colors I really wanted. Christmas Cookie I have, but it's one of my favorites, and Hidden Hills. They're 2 of my favorites, and I'm running out. Birthday Suit I've been wanting to try on Nude, Top Shelf, Dominatrix, Family Jewels, and Tasty. Wow, this is amazing. Can't wait to try all of these. Okay. All right, and I've got a nice cosmetics case in here. And then look at this. Oh, this is really cute. I guess this is from the new Halloween collection. It's like a bat. Super cute. And yeah, a lot of room in here. Great little makeup case. All right, thank you, Jeffree. And then finally, we have a shirt. Dig in. All right, it's a beautiful t-shirt with the purple logo. Oh wow, look at the back. Yay, okay. So the only thing left is this, the thing I'm most excited about, the Weirdo palette. Okay, so here it is, the Weirdo palette. Now today, In this video, I'm going to do a Halloween look using this Weirdo palette and using some of my new lipsticks. And then next week, I'm going to do 2 really pretty glam looks using this palette. But here it is. So amazing. I love the silver. Just from seeing pictures from Jeffree's video, I can already tell you right now I'm going to be using this silver and this pink quite a bit. These colors maybe more as liners and accent colors, but on my Halloween video, I'm going to have fun. It's time to unleash the weirdo. Okay, here it is. Look at all of these colors. So I'm going to start my look today. Take this beautiful pink mohawk. This is such a nice, calm, serene, gorgeous color. So I'm going to take this and just put it all over my eyelid. But actually, I think I'm going to extend it a little and go all the way up to the brow bone. Really get this mohawk in here. Now today, I'm going to try to actually use every color of this. So let's take a smaller brush. I'm going to take the white Glamour Shot. Remember when Glamour Shots were in like every mall? And go right in the inner corner of my eye. And then highlight a little bit right under the brow bone here too. Right now, I'm going to go in with this red Scene Queen. And go right along the crease with this. Now I'm going to take 1985, the gray, and just go in the outer part of the eye. Okay, now let's take a little Punk Couture and just use a really thin brush and kind of outline the crease. It gives it a little more drama, doesn't it? Next, I've heard this Freak Show has sort of a plumish tint. Let's see what it looks like. I'll go ahead and just take this little pointy one. Freak Show. And let's go in the lower lash line. I'll add a little to the crease as well. All right, now, actually before I do that, I think I'm going to take Only Child, which has a little bit of a purplish tint, and just sort of accent a little bit with that. Go over top of the crease and kind of blend it all together. Now time with the liner brush and Weirdo. Okay, start just by lining my upper lash line and going in thick today. And I'm going to extend the liner out, sort of cat-like. Okay. Okay, I add a little bit of drama to the lashes, including painting some lashes on with my face. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. My favorite color is this silver because I can use that for pretty looks as well as for making this sparkle a little bit. And I love the pink, the white too. I think these grays make nice accent colors. Yeah, I'm really glad I got this palette. But now, let's get on with the lip. Before I put on any of my new Weirdo lipstick, I am going to line my lips with Androgyny. Okay, and let me remind you, this Weirdo that I'm using is one that came in the mystery box. It's not from the new Weirdo collection. This is original Weirdo. So, I've never done black lipstick before, but actually, you know what? I think I might want to prime it a little. I'm going to prime it a little bit with this balm. Get my lips moist before putting this on. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Gotta be careful not to get it on my teeth, but here's the look. Gotta touch up the cheeks a little bit. And a little bronze. Okay. Here we go. I'm a weirdo. Okay, I'm ready for the trick-or-treaters. So this is the video for today. I did my unboxing and I created a weirdo look. Next week, I'm going to do 2 pretty looks with the same palette. But anyway, if you like this video, could you give it a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.